Welcome to the video on the rise of on-device AI, focusing on intelligence at the edge. Traditionally, the cloud was the brain for AI. Now, with on-device AI, the device itself becomes the brain. On-device AI runs artificial intelligence models locally on your hardware, processing data right where it's collected. Key to this is the Neural Processing Unit, or NPU. These specialized processors handle complex math efficiently and save battery power. Engineers shrink massive AI models for on-device use through techniques like quantization, pruning, and knowledge distillation. A major benefit is enhanced privacy. Your data stays on your device, making it less vulnerable to interception by hackers. On-device AI processes data instantly. This speed eliminates network delays, which is critical for real-time applications like autonomous driving. Devices function anywhere because they do not require an internet connection, allowing for seamless use even with zero signal bars. Local processing reduces the need for constant server communication, cutting server costs. Companies can then pass these savings to users. While cloud AI handles highly complex tasks, on-device AI excels in speed, privacy, and low latency due to its local processing. Edge AI is powering a wide range of devices, including wearables, smartphones, and industrial machinery. Hardware limitations, such as memory capacity and battery life, present challenges as AI models can drain batteries faster. The industry anticipates significant growth, projecting a $13 billion market for on-device AI by 2026. This technology fosters a symbiotic relationship. The cloud trains the massive AI models, and the device executes the real-world inference. Ultimately, on-device AI empowers users by making technology both safer and faster through local intelligence.